The topic of today, living benefits. Get into these living benefits, okay? Now, you like, Leo, what in the world is living benefits? Let's get down into it. If you have an insurance policy that allows for you to get access to your death benefit while you're alive, those are living benefits, okay? And how do you get access to your death benefit while you're alive? Well, the insurance company says, listen, the purpose of this insurance product is to pay out a tax-free death benefit to your beneficiary in the event that you pass away. But if you get a qualifying terminal, chronic, or critical illness, you know what we're going to do? We're going to give you access to a large majority, a large portion, if not all, of your death benefit while you're alive, depending on the severity of the illness or injury. Now, you're like, Leo, the intention, I want to get life insurance to pay out a tax-free death benefit. Well, baby, here's my thing. Do you have enough money in your investments or in your savings to make sure that if you get, sick or injured, that you can cover the cost of your medical bills? Listen, medical treatment costs, treatment costs, medications costs, all of these things cost money. And you don't want to be in a situation where you have to exhaust your savings and your retirement funds because you didn't properly plan, okay? Who's to say that you have the right type of, health insurance and it's going to cover the cost of some type of major event happening, okay? You have to have surgery. Maybe you have to go through chemo. That's a lot of money, especially if you don't have insurance. And even if you do have health insurance, who's to say that it's going to cover the cost of all of those bills? Okay? You don't want to be in debt. So I understand that at the end of the day, a lot of people buy life insurance for the purpose of the death benefit paying out when you pass away. But baby, we got to talk about what happens if something happens now. Okay? If something happens now, it's a nice thing to know that you can have access to cash while you are alive. And that's the great benefit of having a life insurance policy. Yes, I'm going to leave a financial legacy behind if I don't get ill or injured, but if something happens to me today, then baby, this insurance policy got me covered. And that's what I do. I offer, benefits to my clients, not only so they can leave a benefit for their beneficiaries and their family. That's a beautiful thing. But if you're paying financially, if you're making a financial contribution to a policy each and every month, each and every year, then shouldn't you have access to get cash from this too? Shouldn't you have access to benefit from your policy too? And if you don't have access to your death benefit, then perhaps it may be time for you to upgrade, okay? But that's another story for another time, okay? At the end of the day, living benefits is where it's at, okay? When it comes to your insurance policy, having direct access to cash if you need it, in the event that you have some kind of traumatic health condition, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this up in my stories, okay? You guys can rewatch it, do what you got to do, share it. But at the end of the day, I'm going to try to post today an extended explanation of living benefits when it comes to your insurance policy, okay? So you guys take care, get this information in, and like I said, share the page, and invite your family and friends over here, okay? Because you're not going to find any financial services professional like me who's going to be able to entertain you guys, break down really, really important concepts, and give you the information that you need to take the confusion and mystery out of life insurance, baby. Ain't nothing like it, okay? Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.